Good morning, seventh graders. Happy Friday. Today I wanted to make a video just to go over what you are going to be doing today for your assignment. I did make today very similar to yesterday's assignment, practicing the same concepts, your types of sentences. So remember, we talked about simple, compound, and complex sentences. And yesterday you were to play a little quizzes game to see how well you understood the three different types of sentences. If you did not do that yesterday, please make sure that you do it today. So we are on our course page right now, and let's go over what we are going to be doing today. So learning targets are the same as yesterday. There's a couple of new pieces of information on here. So we are going to be holding Zoom sessions from 11 to 12 and 3 to 4. These Zoom sessions are only if you need additional help on today's lesson. They are not required. So if you don't understand the three different types of sentences or what you're supposed to be doing for your assignment, that's when you would join the Zoom link. You're not just joining it like because it's a class period. That's not how it's going to work today, okay? It's only if you need help. So we have the same lesson from yesterday. I have the same video that walks you through the three different types of sentences, and then the actual lesson that is also in Google Classroom, I've also linked to your agenda for today. Your Zoom links for 11 to 12 and 3 to 4 are here if you would like to join. So our assignment for today is in Google Classroom, and I edited the assignment from yesterday. So now it says Thursday, October 29th to Friday, October 30th. If you click on that, you will see that I have added a Google form that I would like for you to complete. This Google form is going to give you sentences, and you are going to tell me if those sentences are simple, compound, or complex. So please make sure that you look over the lesson from yesterday. Look over the video if you need to. You can use the video or the lesson from yesterday as a guide if you need to. That's totally fine. And that is it. And like I said, if you guys need additional help, I will be here from 11 to 12 and 3 to 4. And I hope that if you do not attend, you have a safe weekend and a happy Halloween. Bye, guys.